Well, here we go. I got a new hose for my PCV valve, and I've got the camera back in the car, and we're going to go out and we're going to do just a little drive around Alpine. She got a brand new car wash, looking so sweet. Man, this runs smooth now. So I had a connector hose going from the intake to the PCV valve, and I was getting P0174 error codes, and the car was running really rough. So I looked under the hood and I was like, oh my God, this thing is almost cut in half. And I was smelling exhaust fumes or oil fumes in the car. Now, no fumes, perfect idle. The car is just running wonderful. And because of my back, this is my video car. So, really, really nice. And this car is so quiet. And it may be just me, but I think the car is getting better mileage now because the car was getting too much oxygen, and that's what that code meant. And so the computer was dumping extra fuel into the car, and so maybe we're going to get better mileage. Let's see. No oil smell. Wow, that is so nice. My lungs will appreciate it, right? We'll just let the car shift by itself now. Bye-bye. Gonna do the speed limit, seeing as we're recording a YouTube video. Gotta be careful about that stuff. I had some road racing videos that I had on my YouTube channel, and I had to pull them because I found out that speeding like that, going over the double yellow, that is an admission of guilt. And I believe there's been some road racers that have been taken to court for just that reason. Exhibition of speed. Flaunting it on YouTube. Wow, this feels so nice now. And she's shiny black. Oh my goodness. Air conditioning is putting out ice cubes. Woo. We'll switch it to defrost with the air conditioning on to keep the camera cool. Got cold air coming up the windshield. Perfect. So, this car feels so good that I may attempt, maybe next Wednesday, it's going to be 100 out in the desert, I may attempt a Ocotillo run from Alpine, California to Ocotillo, California. What do you think? You want to see a road run? Let me know in the comments. Perfect.